Hi guys, today we're looking at another 2024 AMC 8. Now this time it's problem 4, and we're seeing that when Yunji added all the integers from 1 to 9, she mistakenly left out a number. Her sum turned out to be a square number. What number did Yunji leave out? Okay, so added all the integers from 1 to 9, and she's missing a number. So this should be like a pretty typical problem of number theory. So let's start out by finding the sum she was supposed to originally have. So we're trying to sum the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Sorry, this is taking a second. Plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. If you guys know the trick of summing up consecutive whole numbers starting with 1, there's a formula for this, which is n times n plus 1 over 2. I don't really have the time to prove this right now, but n should be, this should be when you're summing numbers 1 plus 2, all these whole numbers up until plus n. Right? So if you know this formula, this should be pretty easy because then it'd just be 9 times 9 plus 1 over 2, which is 9 times 10 over 2, which is 45, right? But another way that you can do this pretty easily is what I like to do is just pairing these numbers up to create these easier numbers to add up, which is also how this is really derived. But we can do 1 plus 9 is 10, so we can cross this out. 2 plus 8 is also 10, so cross this out. 3 plus 7 is 10, cross this out. 4 plus 6 is 10, cross those out, and then plus 5. Of course, you can just do it the normal way, just adding up straight from the beginning, but I find these little tricks easier to deal with. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 45. Now, it says that this person mistakenly left out a number, and her sum turned out to be a square number, right? So how many squares are less than 45, right? We have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36. That should be it because the next one is 7 squared, which is 49, and that's greater than 45. So that doesn't work because she left out a number. So let's test out, let's see which one of these numbers actually works. I'm going to start with the end. We have 36 here. And if her sum is 36, that means that she left out a number that is the difference between 45 and 36, right? Because her sum that she was supposed to have is 45, but instead she gets 36, which is 9 less than her real sum, which means that the number she must have left out was 9, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to 8 equals 36. So that one works, and we're missing 9 in that case. Now let's look at 25, see if that works. In this case, she would have left out 45 minus 25, 20, right? That's not in our range from 1 to 9. That's too big, so that no longer works, unfortunately. So the rest of these numbers, they all don't work because they're too little, right? None of these numbers could be the sum of 8 numbers from 1 to 9, right? And we're looking for 8 numbers, right? Because she only left out a number, one number. So the only possible answer could be her sum is 36 and she left out the number 9. So her answer should be E, 9. All right. Thanks, guys.